Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to Texas Farmstead Living. On today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite healthy granola recipe with no sugar that everyone asks for. This is my grandson and he does not eat very much sugar at all. So today we are going to sweeten our granola with honey. This recipe is so easy. All you have to do is have a quart measuring cup, and I think my little helper's about to run off.
I think you better do it without you maybe.
Okay. For this recipe, I'm going to use this quart measuring bowl. I like to put 4 cups of oats, so just fill it up to your, just super easy. And if you don't want to use this many oats, just substitute something else. Okay, add it to your bowl. For the second quart, I'm going to use just whatever ingredients that I like. So we have half oats and the other half is just whatever nuts, coconut, or like pumpkin seeds that you like. Okay, I'm gonna put about a cup or 2 of coconut. And then I like to put sliced almonds. And a lot of these things, they're organic and I order them as your standard. And I wanted to show you the containers, that's why I didn't pre-measure. Okay, and I want to put sunflower seeds. What's so wonderful, there is no, strict measurements. It's pretty much just 8 cups, and you choose your favorites. Okay, this is pumpkin seeds. Okay, they're roasted pumpkin seeds. Okay, you want to make sure and don't add any dried fruit until after the granola is baked. Okay, so we have another quart. We're just going to add it to our bowl. Okay, we're going to mix this up. Now we're going to get our liquid ingredients together and spices. Okay, I'm going to use my butter, my grass-fed butter today, but just 1 stick of butter is, that's plenty. That's like 1 tablespoon per cup of your mixture. So that's plenty, but sometimes, if it's not enough, just add, to your taste, add more. Another oil that I really like to use, and I may add some, I think that's about, is I like coconut oil in it because I have coconut in my mixture and I really love coconut. Okay, the sweetener we're going to use today is honey, but you can use maple syrup, you can use molasses, date syrup also is really, really good. So it's just definitely what you prefer. And we're going to use ½ cup. Now, if it's not sweet enough for you, just add more sweetener. What I love about this is when you're making oatmeal, it has no spices, it's not sweetened, and if you just use your granola for your oatmeal, it just cuts out a lot of work. I'm using a pan that's large enough that will hold my 8-cup mixture. So I'm just going to melt everything in this pan, and then I'm going to coat my mixture. ½ cup of honey. Okay, now for our spices. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger. Of course, always try to use organic if possible. 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I use really high quality vanilla, or I make it. And ½ teaspoon or more to taste of salt. And I use Redmond salt. and some freshly ground nutmeg. About half a teaspoon, that's what I like. Now we're going to take this over to the stove and melt it. I want to share with you a Bible verse about children. It is Proverbs 17:6. Children are a crown to the aged, and parents are the pride of their children. As the mother of 5 grown children, I can tell you that having a large family is the greatest blessing of my life. Thank you for watching our video, and from our Texas Hill Country farmstead to you, have a blessed day, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.